Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar or your picture icon right here on your Steam Deck. So if you go up to the top right and click this, you can go to your profile and go to View Profile, and then go to Edit Profile. Now it's going to bring up this page where you can go to the avatar, and you can change your avatar. You can tap this. Now when you're on the Steam Deck game mode, if you go to upload your avatar, well, it's not going to open up any files. You have to switch to the desktop version. But you can change your avatar here with one of these pictures. So if you got the Steam Deck, make sure you claim the rewards so you get this cool little outline. And then you can go to one of these avatars and just change it over that way. Now if you want to like upload a custom picture, you can still do this. You just need to go to the desktop mode. So let's go to Power, switch desktop, and wait for this to load over. So you'll need to sign into like maybe Instagram or Facebook and download some pictures. Otherwise you won't have anything on here, or if you copy them over from like a USB stick or something. But let's just go to Steam. Sometimes Steam doesn't load this, so you might have to close it down and then reopen it. So let's go to my profile. And it's doing it right now, so we can just close it down and then reopen it. This is really hard to see, so you can go down here and close it, I believe. Close. Open it up again, and it should load everything. I don't know why you have to do that, but it's weird. So click your name, go to Edit Profile, and this is the desktop version. Go to Avatar, and then go to Upload your avatar. Now search for a picture. So, I mean, this is going to be similar to how you would do it on a computer. You go to Pictures here, Downloads. I got nothing on here though, so you can just save something from, I don't know, like your computer or Facebook, Instagram. Just make sure you're selecting the correct location. It says upload a file from your device. Images should be a square, at least 148px times 148px. So it has to be in that resolution. So you might want to download like a photo editor on here. You can go to Discover. I believe there's some photo editors, and you're going to have to pretty much change the resolution to 184 times 184. So there might be something on here. Here's one right here. Create an image and edit photos. It's called, is this GIMP? GNU Image Manipulation. We could just download this and then install this, and then we could try changing the resolution in here. So just a heads up before you try to change it over, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.